A cordial greeting, teacher and classmates. I am Edith Marcela Vázquez Ardila. My family is composed of 4 people. My daughter, Maria Camila, my mom, Maria Sildana Ardila, my brother, Jesus Hernan Vázquez, and I, Edith Marcela Vázquez. My mother, is 68 years old. She is a housewife, and she is from Mogotes. My daughter is 6 years old. She is dedicated to studying, and she is from Mogotes. My brother, is 35 years old. He is farmer. He is from Mogotes. I am 30 years old. I am from Mogotes. I am teacher and student of psychology. My great fortune is having my family. I love them. They are very important to me. I have you are what's by my side. We live in a very big house. It has 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, the kitchen, the dining room, the living room, the garage, and a big yard where there are a lot of garden. My house is nice place to live, and more why my family. I am from Mogotes. Mogotes is a small town. Its people are very friendly and hard working. They are a tourist place to visit. The food is delicious, and its climate is very pleasant. Thank you, you very much for your attention. Bye bye.